Hello guys. Run playwright test on a single browser or multiple browsers. Okay. So what we'll do now? We will try to execute playwright test in a single browser or multiple browser. The npx playwright test hyphen headed. What it is doing? It is running on headed mode. Okay. I will say browser name equal to Chromium. It will run in say default browser. Even if you don't give the browser name, so even if you don't provide the browser name, it will run in the Chromium only. Okay. We will see. So it is telling that. So none of the tests are matching, right? Go there same way. So provide the test cases path, root path, test slash. So why I use test slash, right? Because all the test cases are under test folder. So test slash. Okay, now run it. See running 8 test cases. Okay, okay. Now if you want to run in Firefox, just execute it. Okay, still it is running in the Chromium browser. It is not picking the Firefox. Okay. It is running in the, even if I use Firefox, it is running on the Chromium browser only. So we will see why it is not picking. So this is the command we use. Okay. Okay. Now go to the playwright configuration.js file, playwright.config.js file. See here, use default. We are using browser Chromium, right? Default what we are using browser Chrome. So now, so to run multiple, no. So configure projects for major browsers. Okay, it is telling. So you need to configure browser for major browsers. See, now I'm enabling this one, projects, and enable the section. So the error gone, right? Okay. Now, again, I'm running in Chromium browser. See, Chromium browser, Chromium browser. This time it will not. Okay, still it is running. Browser name it is running Chromium. Okay, it is running Chromium, right? Okay, okay, same command. Use Firefox here. When you use Firefox, go to configuration settings. Here, enable Firefox. Enable Firefox. Okay, disable Chromium. Now try to run it. Firefox. So it open, right? What you can do, right? Can pause the script. This is Firefox only, right? Firefox releases. I'm trying to say, yes, okay, relative help, that help, Firefox browser, okay? We are running the Firefox browser, it is correct. Okay, it is running in the Firefox browser, right? Then you can run multi browser. See, enable Chromium as well as both. Okay, just provide hidden mode. See, just try. See, it should execute. See, 16 tests are running in 4 browsers. Means parallel it is executing. Okay. So first it is running in Chrome. Chrome. Now Firefox browser is launched. It is running in Firefox. Right? I hope this is a very useful session, guys. Thank you. Here the report it is Firefox and Chromium with RAM. Firefox and Chromium, Firefox and Chromium. Total 16, 14 bus 2 failed. So we run our test case in multiple browsers, Chrome and Firefox. And we did some configuration settings. Thank you, guys.